Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Ross. They have a little Easter items out, so I'm going to go over everything with you. So they have this little green truck right here with a little bunny, $9.99. They have this right here, $9.99. That's very pretty. The wood here with the bunnies, $7.99 with the heart. They have this right here where you can put like candy or Easter eggs on the inside. $19.99 for that. They have the little bunnies where you can put a candle or an LED light inside. $12.99. They have this one with the yellow eggs and this one right here with the green and brown eggs here. Those are very pretty. They have this wreath right here. If you can see that. Price of it is going for $16.99. All right, and how nice are these? These are a set of 9 bowl fillers right here. These are $5.99. They have a lot of these bowl fillers. Real pretty eggs. $5.99 for those. And here's some more that are really pretty, pink and turquoise. They have these right here. And they have these kind right here. Those are all, these ones right here are $6.99. And all of these right here are $5.99. They have these lighted Easter eggs right here. You get pink and the purple. And they have turquoise and white at the bottom. These all light up. $4.99. That's not bad. That's a good deal. They have these little bunnies up here at the top. He is going for $11.99. This one right here says Happy Easter. Not sure the price of the one in the middle. $8.99 for that. $6.99. And they have the little gnomes here that says welcome with the bunny ears. $13.99 for those. The gnomes are everywhere. Let's see, what is this right here? This is an Easter, Happy Easter garland for $9.99. This is what it looks like. 4-foot bunny and carrot banner. That's what it looks like. This is $6.99. They have the carrot garland here. It doesn't have a price on that. Have this nice little pillow right here that says Happy Easter. Doesn't have a price. They have these little guys right here in green. They have this one right here. It looks like an actual chocolate bunny. And it doesn't have a price. They have this little Easter table decor right here for $7.99. Here is another pillow here, if you can see that. The little bunny on the little scooter here. Now this one right here is actually $12.99 for that. All right, so on this little middle cap right here, they have a set of 3 picks right here. Hopper's Lane, and this is what they look like. These are $4.99. Also, they have these right here with the Easter eggs. Those are $4.99 as well. And they have a few of the set of kitchen towels here. Somebody Loves You. These are $4.99. He is risen. They have this pretty one right here with a bunny. This one right here says Home Sweet Home. And they have that one right there. But all of these are $4.99. And here's another pillow that I misplaced or didn't see under there, if you can see that, with a little bunny on the back of the truck. Very cute. All right, so it looks like they've started putting out some more bags here. So I'm gonna take a look at this one right here. I'm not sure. This is by Deluxe City. $12.99 for that. I love the color of this bag right here. This is by Lamel. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And there's another color one here. This one is by Alyssa, but the Lamel one is $24.99. Gousage, $22.99. but they have a lot of the brown bags out. I'm not going to go over all of them with you. They have this little guest bag right here, $29.99. $22.99 for that. And what is this right here? PETA approved vegan, $22.99. Rossetti, $15.99. Very nice. All right, so they have this DKNY bag right here for $49.99. Very nice. They have a baby, a little small baby bag back there, $24.99. They have this Steve Madden book bag right here. Comes with a little bag on the side. Let's see. Doesn't have a price. Yes, it does. $32.99 for that bag. They have this Tommy bag right here, Tommy Hilfiger, $17.99. 9 West, $17.99. And here's another Steve Madden backpack right here, $24.99 for that. Alyssa has some nice bags. I love this bag right here with the tassel, $21.99 for her. All right, so they have some nice sink mats here. These are $2.99. That's not bad at all. I love the donut one. They have the watermelon one, the butterflies. What are these right here? Not sure what the pattern is. They have that one. I might get 2 of these. If I can find the another donut one, I'll get that one. Like I said, these are all $2.99. I love the one with the wine. You can see that. Look at this one here. This one with the wine here is $2.99. And there is another one back here, the Paris and the butterfly. So I think I'm gonna get the one with the, I'm gonna get 2 of these. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna get 2 of these, and this is what it looks like. And these are sink mats. Very nice. All right, so they have some very nice little dishes here, casserole dishes here. I love this turquoise color here. This one is $8.99. They have this little picture here with a heart, $5.99. They have these little egg holders right here. These are $2.99. That's a good deal. I'm not an egg eater, but you know, someone that eat eggs, you know, you can always, anyone can use those. They also have one of these white ones as well. And they have the loaf pans here. I love the turquoise color, $5.99 for those. They have these little trunk bowls right here. These will be great for like nuts or just a, you know, a decorative piece on your table, but those are really nice. And what are these right here? This is a set of 4 bowls, a set of 4 cereal bowls. Let's see, $5.49, and they also have a set of 4 plates right here. These are $7.99. All right, so these are some nice placemats here. This says a 4-pack of placemats for $4.99. Those are really pretty and summery. They have this one right here, 4 placemat with the hearts, $4.99. This one right here has the rainbow on it, $4.99. Those are really pretty, I like those. And they have one more. This one right here, all these are $4.99. They have some Easter, what is this, an Easter, I think this is a, it's $19.99, and it is a beaded table runner. That's very nice. Let me step back so you can see that. Very pretty. They have those signs up there, Joyful Easter Wishes, $11.99 for those. What is this right here? That's hidden Easter Blessings, $5 $5.99 for those. This right here, this welcome sign right here with the bunnies and the butterflies. Not sure the price of this, but let me see, $7.99 for that. And they have another one back here that says Hello Spring. You can see that. But this one right here is an adjustable one that says welcome. And they have a lot of placemats, guys. As you can see, they're all down here. They have these ones right here in blue, $5.99, and I love the mustard color ones right here, a set of 4 for $5.99. All right, some more Easter pieces right here. This little wheelbarrow right here, $12.99 for that. They have these little welcome little containers here where you can put an actual candle on the inside, or there's one already on the inside, $11.99. They have that girl up there, she is $12.99. Farm Fresh Easter eggs, $4.99 for that. Happy Easter. And Happy Easter, those two are $4.99 as well. They also have that wreath down there, that Happy Easter wreath down there. Let's see, $16.99 for that. Very pretty. They have these trays down here. It says Happy Easter. $9.99. Very nice. And they have these door hangers right here. These are $4.99. This one says Rejoice. And this one right here says Happy Easter, and it's in gold. That's what it looks like. All right, so here's some more of those door wreaths. Those door hangers right here, wreath hangers, that's what they're called. It says Happy Easter. This one has the blue truck. Those only two that I see, and these are going for $4.99 for those. All right, and how neat are these right here? These are actually LED light boxes. This one says Boss Babe. Let's see what the price of these are. $8.99. They actually light up. Caffeine Queen, $5.99. But back to the LED signs here. They have this one right here says Hustle More. Be Awesome Today. And a Gold Digger. They have those. But those are really nice. I like those. Welcome Spring, $6.99. They have the little bee, $8.99. They have that in silver and gold. The small ones are going for $5.99. They have those up there. Those are very nice. They have those. They have this right here, which is really pretty. Silver, $6.99 for that. Made in Indonesia. And they have those gold leaves right there. Don't see a price on those. I love these bowls here. This one, this one. All right, so they have a few nice furniture pieces right here. I love this bench right here for $74. They also have this one right here, and you can actually put things on the inside. It looks like it's broken, but let's see what the price of it is. It may be marked down. It's actually $129.99, but I'm pretty sure they can maybe take something off of that. They have these two glass tables right here for $39.99. And that smaller one is $29.99. I love these little stools right here for $24.99. I think this is an actual table, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe a side table. Doesn't have a price. And they have these chairs up here I see a gray one and a beige one up there for $79.99. And I've seen this stool right here before. Let's see what the price of it is. $24.99. That's not bad. That is a good deal for that. I like that. All right, so before I go down the pillow aisle, I wanted to show you this nice little pillow right here. It says Happy Easter. They have a lot of nice pillows here. I'm going to go down here and show you all of the colorful pillows that they have. And how cute is this one right here with the little ducks, the little duck family. This is going for $10.99. That's not bad. And there's two here. They have these Soho Loft pillows right here in yellow. I see pink. They have some very nice pillows here. And they have these right here. Made by Style Sanctuary. Actually, Third House. They have that color and this pink color here as well. And they have all of those. Alright guys, I love this end table right here. That's very nice. Let's see what the price of it is. $29.99 for that. There is that stool again. And what caught my eye was this one right here. This is very nice. $24.99 for that. And here's two more down here at the bottom. They're both $24.99. And they have that there. $39.99. And I'm not sure. Okay, the price of this chair right here is $59.99. They have those. Alright guys, I just wanted to pop into Ross to see what they have to offer. It looks like everybody has those Pocky candies there, or Pocky sticks. But I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen B. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. And I hope to see you guys again real soon. They still have Valentine's Day items out, guys. What are these right here? Classic assorted chocolates by Lent. Lindor. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.